News coming on the broadcast. We're given to understand that counting of votes for the Kerala local body elections has begun amid tight security arrangements. Early trends in fact show LDF leading with 17 seats, followed by NDA with 16 seats, UDF with 10 and others with 1. Now the State Election Commission will declare final results later today. This is what we are getting in for you as far as the Kerala local body elections are concerned, and this is, this is related to the Trivandrum Corporation elections. We are given to understand that LDA is of course leading, but NDA is no behind. And CNN News 18's Neetu Raghukumar joins us for more on this. Neetu, very good morning to you. NDA is showing a strong performance in early trends. Is this a breakthrough moment for the BJP-led front in Kerala?
As of now, it's a tough, tight competition between the LDF and the NDA at this point. That is what we can say. It is a tough fight. As we know, this is one corporation where the NDA, the BJP had high hopes because they had been in the opposition for the past 2 terms. So the counting is still underway. It's a 101-member corporation. So only this many have started counting. So it is, as of now, it's a tough competition. There are high chances that the BJP could make.
Right, but also, Neetu, for the Congress-led UDF, is this election turning into some sort of crisis? Because from what we understand, Shashi Tharoor was, he skipped the MP's meeting yesterday.
See, Shashi, for Congress, we cannot say it is a crisis because even in Thiruvananthapuram Corporation, if you look at, the Congress is improving their performance. For the last 2 terms, they had been in the 3rd place, but they have increased the numbers this time. Last time, the entire UDF was only about 10. So we can't say that it's a crisis. In many places across the state also, we are seeing that the Congress is making their mark. See, traditionally for the local body elections, it is in such a situation that left has an edge. But this is not what we are seeing this time.
All right, Neetu, thank you so much.